Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So many people asked me how I get the shades of blues and greens that I use in my ocean paintings or my wave paintings. First thing I do is that I get all shades of greens and blues that I have at home. I have so many different shades, so I just get all of them, like teal, dark blue, royal blue, any shades of blues and greens. I also have some small ones here. We're gonna also need white paint, okay? I wish that this video is helpful, and if you guys like it, please let me know and please comment on the video.
And finally, thank you so much for watching.